Them are doing enough to try to solve things.
Nah, brother. If personally, if they were doing enough, it would have reached a certain level already. It's been 2 years and we can't say, me can't come to you now and say, all right, you reach us, all right, we'll look up or we'll look down. You know, then say, I tell me, say, all this money missing and one person know about it. One somebody can move around and nobody else don't know about it. In a big institution where it's supposed to be really regulated, right? You run off an institution and you don't notice nothing go on. So no get audit or nothing happen more. So, but me I tell people, me not get back my money, people. So no stop seeing me and I ask me, me not get back my money.
Read that.
We just got robbed.
Nah, get nowhere where you can say, all right, yeah, man, I'm happy with in the direction it's going.
Right.
You understand? So, me not happy, but some of it happen, some fixing have to go on, isn't it?
Were you hesitant to really speak your mind publicly because of
Brand Jamaica?
Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Yeah. How you've been uplifting the brand over the
I
years.
have avoided, like, remember I said, because of who I am, you know. There's a lot of international people have called.
Yes.
And say, do you want to speak on my house? I said, nah, man, in time. Even when I do things, I tell you, we cannot speak about this.
Right.
Because at the end of the day, if me start speaking, it's going to hurt Jamaica a lot.
So you remove your pussy hole and come down.
Because now it come down and my body has to look and I say, Jaja, so I try avoid that as much.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Over the 2 years, but me not see now when I can say it and feel good and say, you know what? Right, but now at some point I have to start say something.
Yeah.
Because I not see nothing. Clearly, it look like I'm going to apply some pressure.
Right.
Or do something or start make a whole pack of questions being asked.
Yeah, I'm mad.
I'm not get back now. Say the people who have do this can actually do this.
A few moments later.
Yo, brother. I'll take a joke.
Sure. Read that.
He just got robbed.
Yes, people, you don't know. If you don't want to watch a full video, you can go over Netflix, you see me? Yeah, man, go watch a full video, you see me? Yeah, man. Yes, people, you don't know, you know. I mean, media facts, you know. You know, come for talk facts, you know, come for talk trash, you see me? Big up the people, man, big up the supporters, them same speed, you see me? Yeah, man, keep on support the channel and thing. So, when you just watch the video with USAIN BOLT, I kind of make it, you know, get a little fun about it and thing, but it's a serious situation, but I don't understand what really I go on with Bolt still, you know. You understand? Because something when I talk, it just not make no sense, brother. You see me? Because, brother, $2 billion Jamaican, brother, that is a large sum. You understand? And the way you relax this stuff, we know you're rich and thing, but yeah, $2 billion, it touch. You understand? So, you did it, brother, and yeah, say, yo, people internationally link you, and yeah, tell them, say, yo, no, because you know what, Jamaica look, staying up, and brother, Jamaica done staying up already. Jamaica done staying up already, brother. Yeah, tell me, say, your money, 12 million something US / 2 billion Jamaican gone down the drain, and you, I got like you gonna move like nothing never happened, brother. The way how you talk, like you say, one person or whatever, bro, no, it's a lot of things, bro. You see me, cause people, if you realize, when I go see something on the screen, some information, because remember this, say one at the time, right? Them come and them come and put out a statement, see? And say, yo, taxpayers, I forgot, pay the employee or SSL, right? Remember, you know, this is a private company, you know. You see me? So, this is madness for taxpayers for pay SSL, which is a private company. You see what I'm trying to say? And when you see, you have to read between the lines. But I don't know. Like, I tell you with Jamaican corruption, you know. You see me? And sometimes I wonder, like, brother, you don't want back your money, you know. You see, you wait 2 years and them ask if you're going to do lawsuit, and brother, you did your wait, you know, you hear nothing from nobody. brother. Joke thing this, brother. And at this time, me can last 2 billion Jamaican and me just sit down, nothing, and people out there reach to me for blast it or whatever, for try make me get back $2 billion. Bro, yeah, joke, brother. I can't believe say your company fix and you talk like this, bro. And then the worst thing I go say, you know what, Jamaica staying up. Bro, Jamaica done staying up already with corruption and everything. You understand? Them done staying up already, brother. The system corrupt. So when you go say, yo, you know what, Jamaica thing staying up because, you know, people are going looking, brother, it done gone already. Look how much Jamaica and them catch overseas. We are do the little chopping them, you see me? Jamaicans are chop overseas. Look how much people them catch and lock up. We done staying up already, brother. Them done see you keep tuning into Jamaica and every little thing, bro. So you there sit down and wait for money. Cause remember this, you know. If you don't see that statement here, where if you realize, I think it's three government thing. 3 government organization was in it, right? And them the money they not touch. I think it was the NHT and it was the National Aid Fund and another agriculture one, I think. And none of them the money they not touch. And remember, you know, remember what come out with you know, remember say such man name I call up, you know. I think you don't know who me attack. Zine, big nose. Zine, you don't know say film name been calling up. I remember say when the IC found out with you and them realized the statement we put out where they must say, yo, money transfer from SSL Zine, from SSL to FEAM account. Where the account with him bill, Zine, it bill without money, you understand? Because you know when you open an account at Jamaica, you have to open it up with money and, you see me? Yeah, open fund or whatsoever. Zine. But you see Jamaican system, like, for sure your Bolt where run and put Jamaica on the map, help put Jamaica on the map. For see say him get robbed with a large sum of money. And either come like say it's a common man get so much a big sum money where rob and take away and every little thing. Is what I try to say for sure you how Jamaica stay, you know, the corruption and everything, you know, bro. You see me? Cause it's a large sum of money that, you know, 2 billion Jamaican, you know, and a normal money that, you know. You see me? Imagine you as just a regular guy, but you have all a business and thing, and you have 2 billion and thing. Especially, except from like, you know, like Bolt now, as an international man. Zine, and it does come like nothing. You see me, people? It not come like nothing. Cause them something away sit on the screen. You can read and see what I go on. You see me? And you see when something like this happen to a man who is so high in a society, ambassador, and nothing come out of it, you know say it's some big entity. This have to do with the system. If it was just a private thing, it would have been different. You see me? But this have in a big powers in a SSL thing what happen. You understand? And if USAIN BOLT can't even get back in money until now. Cause he must say, yo, people ask if him get back in money, him not get back the money. But you don't know him having money already. So it's like him comfortable. To me, cause me wouldn't comfortable at all. You see me? Me wouldn't comfortable. And people out there reach out to me for help and me go say, yo, I want Jamaica thing look. But bro, Jamaica thing gone already. Jamaica thing staying up already, brother, a long time. We do much thing. Staying up, bro. You see me? Staying up. They not even want to put up on a certain list. Them done have we as a crime country already. You see me? A lot of things, corruption, chopping, all of them little thing there. You see me? So brother, you sit down there and go and wait. Brother, you know look like you will get back your money, you know. And that me I tell you, you know. Cause allegedly me here say when Bolt put in the money, it just disappear. You see me? As him give them the money for it just disappear. So bro, and each thing, brother. You sit down. The man will say, no, was stay too long, serve another master. So you go and sit down and wait till it's too late and nothing come out of this. Cause if you realize, if you see that statement, yeah, when them say some robber thief some laptop up at SSL and everything, it's a lot of thing. It's a lot of thing. Cause when the Ministry of Finance they forward out and I say, yo, taxpayers have got fund SSL for pay them employee monthly. I must say about 4 million. See? And then after, when Jamaican people start look out, you know, you hear them say, oh, the company have an insurance fund, I say 1 million US or something like so. See? Brother, for me hear that, I say, no man, something not right. That case has to be studied. Yeah, and you know what the spookiest thing, people? SSL have 1 million US, you know, a fraud insurance, you know. And the Ministry of Finance forward out and say taxpayers have to go fund, maybe have to go fund the company which is SSL, which is a private company. And this so it's spooky, you know. Remember, you know, the SSL have a fraud insurance which is 1 million US. And then when uproar in Jamaica now, you hear them switch, say, oh yes, the company have a 1 million US fraud insurance. Like something alright there, so. Understand? This now add up. And then the government body, which is the NHT and the NHF and the agriculture one, feed them money, you know, that is a government body money, you know, that not touch, you know, and the other rest account with people gone plus USAIN Bolt. So me see that, me and say, yo, no man, something not right there, so. This now make no sense. So how the rest of the money them touch and the government body money them investment not touch? Something not right. You see me? Something not right. But Bolt, I can't be this say fall upon the fix, bro. And bro, you dead there and wait and I can say, oh, you know, one Jamaica thing. At that, you know, at that part, them have to say, brother, what you really I say? What you mean by you don't want Jamaica staying up? what you try to save Jamaica from the corruption, brother? When the world don't see what going on already, bro? Like, I don't know. I say, go, you're rich and comfortable, so $2 billion is nothing to you. You see me? But, brother, I know that $2 billion there could have do you well. Or some investment or some building structure or something, brother. You could have that could have used to something. And for you just sit down and second so it come like nothing, brother. You see me? I don't know what go on if you I don't know if you do lawsuit. The last time I hear the lawyer must send out. I think him lawyer did say yo some response for come and Ray and I don't hear nothing. What really are going on? One at a time it look like SSL like them move from the location there. I don't know where them gone. You see me like I realize with Jamaica, you know. Jamaica thing it's just a 9-day wonder thing and then after that thing just die down. You understand? Because this is the thing, you know. Jamaica people that uproar about it, you know. And every time such man pop up somewhere or in no comments or whatever, you hear them say, yo, you have to give out USAIN Bolt money. You understand? So, brother, and this are the thing. You see, if Bolt no care, nobody not gonna care, brother. Because I know nobody money have eat money. And a $2 billion that. Bro, this is not no 1 million Jamaican in a brother. 2 billion this is not a joke money that, you know. You see me? And a joke money and I think him be fall out and say some retirement for him parents or whatever. But brother, I don't know what you gonna do about this, you know. Cause you see Jamaican system, let me tell you this. You can't sit down and wait. You understand? You can't sit down and wait, brother. You have to active. So you say you sit down and wait and you about 2 years now and nothing. You're a joke. I tell you that you not move like your money get take away. You not move like that. You understand? You not move like that at all. You see me? Cause before the uproar, you know, them say such man say him close down for him account before, like a year before or two before the uproar about the SSL thing. So me, when I tell me I pray, I say, yo, why would such man close down an investment account? I don't understand. Something alright. And then when the IC thing found out now, you hear say them SSL transfer something to FEMA account. How much $1 million must say? I guess 100 million or something like so. You understand? To FEMA account. Zine, if I know 100 to 400, something like so. You understand? To FEMA account. To an account when new, you know, where open without no money. You understand? So when that found out, everybody has said, no man, something not right. This was spooky now. So how, and that are the thing, you know, how him get money sent to FEMA thing, but the other rest of people them money gone and disappear. I think I maybe over 300, I think over 30 million US. Zine, gone down the drain. Must say over 200 people, something like so. Gone down the drain. Plus the government body money them, which is the NHT money, the NHF, the agriculture. You understand? I'm not sure if one left. I'm not sure for the NIS or whatever, but them the money they never touch. Never touch. And the other rest of people the money touch plus Bolt. So people, Bolt, you have to read between the lines, bro. I don't know if I feel like you know. You see it? That am my opinion. I feel like you know what going, but it's like I don't know, you just don't want to come out and you know, I understand you can't do say certain things, but brother, this make like Jamaica look bad thing, brother. You better cry out now before it's too late. And that me I tell you, cause 2 years it gone now, you say. And how when you go wait, brother? I went, yo, man, tell you. You don't understand what really I got, you know. Because this a big chopping. You understand? And on a one man thing. You see me? And a one man. So you can just sit down there and go and say, yeah, wait or whatsoever, you know, hear nothing or whatsoever. Brother, you're a joke. You know how much people out there right now with a $2 billion would do well right now? You think money might be easy and $2 billion, but we know you're rich. You see me? But brother, you can't just sit down and expect a thing. You sit down and hire man, yeah? You can't expect if you sit down and thing happen. You have to make it happen yourself. So you can sit down and wait. And that me I tell you. You not hear nothing, you not hear this. You see what I try to say? So you can do that, but we know the powers, you know. You can't really do nothing, you know, don't hire man, like hire man corrupt. You see me? Cause you have to watch what you say and you have to watch what you do. You understand? I mean, know you know what really go down, but we understand say you not to create no fire or no. You see me? You don't want to push that or whatever, but Jamaican people know what go on, see what go on, and understand what go down with your money. You see what I try to say? But brother, you have to go quick with this, brother. You can't just sit down and expect say things are gonna happen if you don't make step. You understand? Brother, people take your money, what you are gonna do? Just sit down and you feel like you just go forward back in your hand. You see me? Well, some people say, yo, you get it back. Cause the way you move, you now move like say your money gets stolen or whatsoever. You see me? But I just one of them thing there. You see me? Cause brother, Jamaica thing, brother, it's staying up already, brother. You see me? People out there done set it bad for we already. A lot of things happen in the world where Jamaicans get involved in. We don't make we look at we already. You see me? Worse, we're in at the top list for crime and them look at thing there. You see me? But people no don't know, you know. I mean the facts, and we just come for address bowl. Cause I look like you not even want about the money there. You see me? They must sit down and wait. Yes, there $2 billion. Me can't sleep. That me I tell you. If me somebody rob me $2 billion, me not sleep. You mad? Things have something have to come about. You understand? I forget start out, man. Me have to get who me have to get for help. Me I get I not joke money that. You understand? But people you don't know, you know. If him not care, we can't care then. You see me? But it's not a good look if you're ambassador person where put Jamaica on the map. You see me? One of them things, but people don't know, you know. Just support the thing. You see me? I can make a comment and opinion about the situation, yeah. You see me? And you don't know, subscribe, share, click the notification bell, click all, and you don't know more content to forward. You see me? Yeah man, the journey has just started. And you don't know, you know, media facts, you know. And I eat this, you see me? Yeah man.